Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Placide is a peaceful town, located in the beautiful Laurentians region of Quebec. Situated just north of Montreal, and near the picturesque Lac de Montagnes, this charming town is the perfect escape into nature. Saint-Placide was founded in the 19th century, and has a rich history tied to agriculture. It was named after Saint Placide, a Catholic monk, reflecting the town's deep religious heritage. The area's fertile land and access to water made it an ideal location for farming, and it's still known for its agriculture today. The town's location by the lake is a highlight, with stunning views of the water and surrounding nature. Lac de Montagnes is a popular spot for outdoor activities, including boating, fishing, and kayaking. In the warmer months, locals and visitors enjoy the peaceful waters and the surrounding forests, perfect for hiking and wildlife watching. Saint-Placide is a wonderful destination if you're looking to escape into nature, enjoy a quiet retreat, or explore a town with rich historical and cultural ties. The friendly community and stunning landscapes make it a great place to visit and appreciate the beauty of Quebec.